from INEXTERIORS Painters and Decorators, and you're watching INEXTERIORS TV. In this video, I'm going to show you how to repair some cracks and gaps where tiles meet the ceiling. If you would like to purchase some of the tools that are used for this task, please check out the links in the description below. And also, please feel free to check out my tool store. The links are also in the description below. So with that said, let's do this! These are the cracks and gaps that we're going to be dealing with where the tiles meet the ceiling. The materials and tools of choice for this task is a multi-tool scraper, some Decorators cork, cork gun, 80 grit sandpaper, paint brushes, dust brush, sash brush, a long arm rab roller with an emulsion sleeve, a roller bucket, white matte emulsion, roller pole and a paint kettle. First of all, what we do, we get the pointy bit of our multi-tool scraper and we give it a good rake out. We just rake and sort of scrape any of the loose off. I just want to apologise in advance for the camera angles. It's a bathroom and I'm in tight spaces at times, so it was hard to get the camera angles right. Right, then once I've raked it, I get the 80 grit sandpaper, give it a sand, and then I dust off. Right, I just want to show you the cork nozzle. You can see that I've cut the nozzle at an angle, and you only want to cut the width to the gap that you're filling, like, so you don't want to cut it really big and then sort of fill a small gap. So you just want to cut the nozzle to the size of the gap that you fill in and cut the nozzle at an angle. See, as you can see, when I'm corking, the cork falling off. So even I make mistakes sometimes, but I could have edited out, but I thought I'd rather show you how we clean it up. We just get some tissue and then just wipe the cork off the tiles. It's simple like that. You can see it neating up already. Then get some cork, re-cork it and smooth it. So even I make mistakes as well. There's no such thing as perfection, people. I mean, these are the camera angles that I'm on about. I do apologise for, but once again, what I'm doing is raking, sanding, dusting, corking. I repeat this process all the way round. If you would like to know how to fix ceiling cracks and peeling flaky paint, please check out the card on the top right hand corner of the screen. And also, if you would like to purchase some of the tools that are used for this task, please check out the links in the description below. Right, now we're ready for painting the ceiling. I left the cork to dry for 24 hours basically. Sometimes it says like 1 hour cork and stuff, but I always think the longer you leave it to dry, the better. I don't really like emulsioning over it after an hour. I like to at least give it sort of 16 to 24 hours to dry. I'm using a 3-inch brush to cut in the paint to the tiles. I mean, you can use whatever you're comfortable with. Just make sure that the bristles are long, because when you try doing it with a short brush, it's not too good. The longer the bristles, the better it is to sort of cut into the tiles. I'm using this long-armed emulsion rad roller to paint above this shower cubicle. And also, when I'm rolling it really slow. And it's especially important to roll it slow when you first load your roller up as well, because that's the point where you got most paint on it. And if you just go too fast, the paint will just flick off it. So just go nice and steady and nice and slow. And then that way you shouldn't get any overspray at all. Right, now I'm using the bigger roller, and once again I'm just going steady, and I'm going especially steady when I first start as well, because just like the little roller, we don't want any paint flickering or overspray going anywhere. Then I just repeat the process of cutting it in and rolling it until it's finished. And this is it. No more cracks and gaps, and all cut in nice and sharply and looking tidy around the tops of the tiles. And that is how to repair cracks and gaps where the tiles meet the ceiling. If you've got anything from this video, please like, share, subscribe. Please hit that notification bell if you want to be notified of any of my future videos. And please feel free to leave a comment down below in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching.